Gruezi mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland will have balls. Chicken meatballs, to be exact. Accompanied will have a simply delicious homemade teriyaki sauce that will make the Epicurean inside you perfectly satisfied. Are you hungry yet? Then let's get cooking. We'll begin with the chicken meatballs, and I must warn you, we'll be making some really cheesy chicken meatballs, so you better not be on a diet. First, we need some chicken. Here, we're using half a kilo of chicken thighs, or one whole chicken worth of thigh. We use the chicken thigh because it's the juiciest cut of the chicken. But if you're among those who go to the gym twice a day, you can opt for the chicken breast. Now, if your cuts still have bones, let's debone them, because we want the crunchiness from our balls to come from the panko, not your broken teeth. After deboning the chicken, cut it into small pieces about this size and put it in the food processor. Then, roughly chop up 2 cloves of garlic and half an onion and let them join the chicken in the food processor. We season our chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt or broth mix, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, an 1/8 teaspoon of coriander powder, and an 1/8 teaspoon of MSG, and a generous amount of pepper. If you like some heat, add some chili powder, as much as you can handle in there. After seasoning the chicken, we'll blend it until you get a nice paste like this. Next, crack in there 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of flour, and a fistful of panko. Then we can mix everything up really well until everything is incorporated. Now, take about 50 grams of mozzarella cheese and form them into little balls about this size. We're gonna wrap our chicken paste around our cheese into small balls like this. Next, prepare some flour or starch on one plate and some panko on the other. Then roll your balls into the flour to get it well covered. Next, roll them in the panko for some extra crunchiness. Once all of your balls are well battered, let's fry them into deep pan. Plenty of oil and heat it up till the oil is hot. Here's how you can check if your oil is properly heated. Not with your finger, but with your spatula. Best with your chopsticks. Stick your chopsticks in the oil, and if you see bubbles around the chopsticks, then it's properly heated. Now, drop your balls in and fry them for 3 minutes. Once the balls are done frying, take them out from the pan and let them rest on some paper towels to remove the excess oil. We're not done yet. We'll double fry it to deliver our balls into perfection. So drop your balls back in the pan for another minute or until they're nice and golden brown. After they're done, again, let them rest on some paper towel to remove excess oil. The beautiful thing about chicken balls is that you can fry a whole bunch of them at the same time and keep them in the freezer. So whenever you want it, you just have to take it out and refry it. It will still be just as delicious as the freshly made ones. Let's move on to the sauce for our balls. We'll show you how to make a really simple and addictive teriyaki sauce. Start with mincing 1 teaspoon of ginger finely and put it in your saucepan. Crush 2 cloves of garlic in there with the ginger and add some oil. Saute the ginger and garlic on high heat for about 2 minutes. Next, we use equal parts of soy sauce, mirin, and sake. For us, that translates to 150 milliliter of soy sauce, 150 milliliter of mirin, and 150 milliliter of sake. Pour the liquids into the saucepan with the ginger and garlic, along with 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. On medium heat, cook the liquid till it simmers. Let it keep simmering for about 5 more minutes. Then, put in there 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and stir well until it thickens into a nice sauce consistency like this. Finally, give your sauce 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil for fragrance, and it is ready to serve. And there you have it, your juicy, crunchy, cheesy chicken meatballs with your perfectly savory, perfectly tangy teriyaki sauce. This dish will put you on the highway to cheesy heaven. Now all that's left is ingweta, bon appetito, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in.